Decorating the room is always really fun. Welcome to the room tour of 8012, and the theme is Raya and the Last Dragon. This room is a deluxe family Oceanview Stateroom. I recommend having 2 kids and 2 adults, but I don't think it fully sleeps 4 adults comfortably. But take a look around. Okay, so we stayed in stateroom 8012. You do have a split bath. So you have your toilet and everything in one part. And then you have the tub shower. Let me turn the light on. The tub shower, convenience and everything here in the second half. So 2 people can get ready at the same time. So you can shower and 1 can get ready. You do have, I thought these closets were great. You can actually split things. This is where you find your life vests, all of your things. As you can see, I used multiple shelves, and there's one for each of us, so his and hers. The closets are big, and this is the other one for just one person. And there's even a shelf at the top because you don't have the life jackets up here, so more storage. This is the bed. It was pretty comfortable, actually. And the theme is Raya and the Last Dragon. So the mural behind the bed is really cute. So Destiny is on. If you take this blanket, it's $250. This will be the view when you're out to sea. So you can see the water. There's actually a nice sunset happening. And if they're washing windows, you'll see that too. But I actually see land. Somebody saw the fantasy this morning, so that's pretty cool. There is more space that can be utilized. So shelves, they go all the way down. 6 shelves in each cabinet. So you can put a lot of clothes in there. And then you have the convenience of a dresser. And we thought this was kind of cool. You actually have a fridge. The fridge is actually in a drawer. So it's a little bit different, but I think you can store your wine and cans in there. You have more drawer space. You have more deeper drawers. They're soft close, actually. You have some stationery, and you can actually put your luggage underneath the bed. There's plenty of stove space under there. And then this couch here. Okay, this couch actually flips over to a sleeper sofa. So one person can sleep here. And then you have the drawings, more animation concept here for how they made the movie of Raya and Last Dragon. Okay. And then this little guy, do we know what his name is?
Tuck Tuck.
Tuck Tuck. Tuck Tuck?
Tuck Tuck.
Tuck Tuck. Okay. Tuck Tuck. I thought she said TikTok. Okay. So that'll be our room tour here at 8012. So there's plugs here to point out USB-Cs. There's 4 of them, and then is a USB at the top, or it's all USB-C?
It's just only USB-Cs. 2 USB-Cs, a regular, and you have a total. So you have total of 4
USB-Cs.
USB-Cs in the room, and then 4 regular outlets in the whole room. That's why we brought a block, because you can't bring a surge protector.
Right.
But you can bring these, so now we can plug in 6 more devices. So you can. These are allowed. But the surge protector for more outlets is not.
And they also have some little things up here. You can put just some accessories or books or other little things. So that's about it for the room. But just want to show you what we were dealing with. I think this room is meant for 2 adults and a child, or 3 adults, not 4 people. Because no, how could you? Because you have the pull-out bed here. I'm sure they have a little cute scene up here. But if you have another adult, there's no way they're sleeping up here when it's pulled down. So I would recommend, well, 2 adults and a child, 3 adults, or 2 adults and 2 kids, but not 4 adults. It doesn't accommodate 4 adults. So just to keep that in mind if you're booking this room. And there's a little hidden Mickey by the bed and the carpet. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now.